atum pa so bangom Ruach Adonai to ja music tum dak te bang chi mi bang sakai ta a chi ram in bang chi thak swa lung no mi mo ke mo aya pen kha to ki khon loi cha ai tum dak te min zam ta sa the mo đen mông chỉ là anh ông nôm sang phải các bạn hệ chỉ có cái toán cái xe không chơi thôi thì đen mông không chỉ sao anh tôi kia học chính là gì đó đấy rồi anh khắp khó tên thế chỉ amaoตัว music อันนั้นสั่งเลยตัวเป็น amao ว่าเป็นบางอย่างยังจะข้ากิโลนี่สั่งเป็นบางอย่างนี้ข้าเสียงเราตัวจะ praise and worship team ว่าเกี่ยวกับคนละ if you are involved in praise and worship team okay So David was empowered by the Spirit, and whenever he played the music, what happened? Saul got healed, and the evil spirit that was upon Saul departed, just ran away. Why? It's not only because of the music, but it's because of the one who played. Who was that? I can't hear you. David. Louder. David. Okay. On David, who was there, the Spirit of the Lord. In Hebrew, how do you call? Ruach Adonai. Come on, one more time. Louder, yes.